can't believe that. Waterproof.
Tyler's learning to splash. Splash, splash.
Now he's stopping. You beat the gate.
He's been doing it for the past. Here he goes.
He's almost given me a black eye a couple times.
You can't do it.
Lena, come hug on Tyler. He's gonna splash you.
Oh. Or I can just get you two. Smile.
Lena, you wanna jump in? He can be your movie star. Show us how you jump. She doesn't know how. She doesn't know how.
You can be a movie star. You can wave to your fans.
Hi! Say hi, everybody! Mama, tell me when to stop. Alright, here she goes.
Wait. Oh, wait, don't jump on my head. Hold on, I gotta back it up. Oh, that wasn't a good shot. Okay.
You were waving as you jumped. That was cool. Tyler will be jumping in next year. Cool. Next year he'll be a year and a half around this time.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm waving at you. Give me a high five when you jump. Okay.
I gotta switch arms.
Okay.
Gotta switch arms.
Ready? High five. You did it.
He's loving it.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye.
Say bye, Mama.